Thinking about installing a tankless water heater in southeast Kansas? Here's what you gotta know to figure out the right size and setup for your home. You've got a ground-level kitchen with a dishwasher, full bathroom with shower and tub, plus a washing machine. That's a decent amount of hot water demand. Upstairs has its own 10-gallon electric water heater for the second bathroom, so you're mainly focusing on the ground floor. Since your ground water temperature is around 50 to 60 degrees, that means your heater has to work harder to warm that up, which affects the size you need. The current water heater is in a small basement, about 9 by 9 feet and just over 5 feet tall, with a pretty steady ambient temperature of around 60 degrees. You're thinking if you can run a smaller, more affordable tankless by stripping the old tank's insulation and using it as a tempering storage to keep the inlet temp stable, that's actually a pretty smart move. Relocating the setup to the ground level where it's warmer, about 70 degrees year-round, could also help boost efficiency and reduce strain on the unit. Just make sure to insulate your water lines well so you don't lose heat along the way. A Rinnai tankless with about 9 gallons per minute flow rate and 199,000 BTU capacity should cover your whole house no sweat, especially if you keep everything insulated and in good shape. One of the biggest mistakes people make when picking a tankless water heater is undersizing it. If you don't get enough flow rate or BTUs, you'll run out of hot water quick or get inconsistent temps. Fix that by calculating your peak demand carefully and factoring in colder groundwater temps. Another common issue is poor installation location. Putting the unit somewhere too cold or with bad ventilation can kill its efficiency and lifespan. Consider moving it to a warmer spot like your ground level where temps stay stable. Lastly, some folks forget to insulate their pipes or tempering tanks, which means heat loss before the water even hits your taps. Insulating pipes and using your old tank as tempering storage can really help maintain steady water temps and reduce the unit's workload. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to find more clients and grow their business without all the hassle.